12 smart minimalist habits that are life-changing. 12. Do all the laundry on one day of the week. Laundry can be a very time-consuming process, but it can also be one that unnecessarily eats your money. A simple minimalist rule to make your life easier is to pick one day of the week to do your laundry, or only do it when you have a full load. 11. Do work in batches. More work can seem like more of a hassle, but that's not the case. For example, let's say that you want to do grocery shopping, but you'll have to visit several stores because there are great deals for items in multiple stores. Instead of visiting, let's say, one store a day, you do all of your shopping in one day. While you work harder on the given day, you free up your entire week to do things you love to do. 10. Make all meals at home. Making your meals at home has always been viewed as an excellent frugal living habit. But did you know that it's also a minimalist one? The reason is that you have full control over what goes in and out of your fridge, and you also know exactly how much you're spending. Not to mention that you can eat much healthier and feel much happier in your day-to-day life because of it. And who doesn't want to be happy, right? Let us know in the comments below what minimalist tip you do that makes you feel happy. 9. Only keep things you love. A core tenet of minimalism is to have as few things as possible, and among those few things should only be things that you really love. An easy way to check if an item is something that you love is to keep track of how much you use that item over others in the same category. For example, do you have a favorite pair of shoes you always use? Those are the ones that you'll want to keep. 8. Follow the one in, one out rule. This rule is simple, but it's sure to change your life. If you want to get something new, then something old needs to be tossed. This rule maintains the minimalist balance in your life by forcing you to never have more items than you need. So, if you want a new water bottle, then you'll need to throw away the current one to keep balance. Great job! You've made it through 50% of this video. You don't want to miss the next 6 tips because they're going to be the ones with the biggest impact on your savings account. 7. Cut back on your driving. This minimalist tip may come as a surprise since cutting back on driving doesn't have anything to do with decluttering. Well, minimalism isn't just about only having items you need, but also only using items when you need them. That being said, if you can walk or bike to a destination, then do it. Funnily enough, this is a great frugal living tip to save money. And if you like to learn more tactics on saving money, then subscribe to Investors Weekly, where we give the best, simple, and useful tips to save the most money. 6. Make a minimalist wardrobe. The less you have, the more you'll appreciate what you have and the more relaxed you'll be. This is especially the case when it comes to clothes. It's likely that many of your closets have way more clothes than you really wear. So, take the time to go through your closet and only keep items you wear at least once a month, and in no time, you'll have a wardrobe with items you know you'll wear. 5. Make do with what you have. It's easy to take all the items we have for granted. Often, we have much more than we really need to get by. So, if you want to change your life, then really take the time to go over what items you really need, and you'll see how much extra you have in your life that's unnecessary. 4. Quality is a priority. There's a reason why quality or quantity is a common phrase, because it works, but it's also a fantastic minimalist tip that can change your life. When you start shopping for products that will last you a lifetime, despite being more expensive, as opposed to something cheap that will break quickly, you'll not only notice how valuable the item is, but also how much money you save because of it. 3. Make a budget. A budget is typically designed to save you money, and it does a good job of that. However, it also brings about a psychological effect that causes you to not want to spend unless it gives you something valuable. Funnily enough, making a budget indirectly makes you practice minimalism, which will change your life for the better. 2. Declutter every season. There are 4 seasons every year, and that's 4 seasons to declutter your home. By timing major decluttering sessions every 3 months, you don't have to feel overwhelmed by trying to declutter a bunch of things, but you can feel happy to clear out your home. When you practice this minimalist tip for long enough, you'll find that you'll only throw 1 or 2 things away every season, which should make you feel great. Before I share the last interesting tip with you, let us know in the comments what topic you would like us to cover when it comes to frugal living, minimalism, or slow living. 1. The 1-minute rule. We all have several minutes to spare throughout our day, and each of those singular minutes can be used to declutter or clean something. For instance, if you're getting up to get some water, clear out the table you're sitting at while you're standing. Compounding 1-minute chores can quickly allow you to clean up your home and change your life for the better. These minimalist tips are great for changing your life and how you look at it. But you may want more tactics on how to live below your means. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Click this next video to find out more. Friends, thank you for your valuable time spent watching this video.